All right, so we have find the equation of the line that goes through the points 6, 1 and negative 4, 9. Write your answer in slope-intercept form if possible. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is, if applicable, to find the slope of the line. Okay, so we'll go ahead and use our formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 to find the slope. And what's y2, y1, what's x2, x1? Well, let's take our points and label them accordingly. And I'll just take this first pair, 6, 1, and I'll label that as x1, y1, and then x2, y2 for the second pair. Now, it really doesn't matter the way I label this. This point could have been labeled as x1, y1. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is that you're consistent with your formula. All right, let's move forward and find what the slope would be according to these points. So I'm going to take 9 minus 1 over negative 4 minus 6, which is going to give me 8 over minus 10, which is equal to minus 4/5. So that's our slope. And then second, we will now find the equation of the line. You have two options here. You have the line y equals mx plus b, or y minus y1 equals mx times minus x1. This is what we call the slope-intercept form. And this is what we call the point-slope form. Either one works to find the equation of this line. I will be using the slope-intercept form here to start off. And if I do that, I'm going to go ahead first of all and grab my slope, which is the minus 4/5. And I'm going to go ahead and grab a point. Which point? It doesn't matter. So I'm going to grab the point 6, 1. And what your task here is to find what b is. The way we do that is by plugging in all this information into our equation. So 1 equals minus 4/5 times 6 plus b. 1 equals, multiplying these two fractions, minus 4/5 times 6, or 6 over 1, gives you minus 24 over 5. And we're going to solve for b by adding 24 over 5 to the other side. And if you get a common denominator, you arrive at 29 over 5. So your solution would be y equals negative 4/5 x plus 29 over 5. And this is in slope-intercept form. Alternatively, we could have used the other equation, which was point-slope form. And the way this equation works, again, you're going to grab a pair of points and then your slope and plug that information in. So your slope is minus 4/5. The x1 and the y1, I'm going to grab that same pair, 6, 1. And I'm going to go ahead and try to isolate the y. And before I do that, I'm going to distribute that more than minus 4/5. And my last step would be to add to 1. And if we go ahead and do that, we get minus 4/5 x plus 29 over 5. And as you can see, that's the same answer you got before. Okay. All right, thank you.